Hello, homeowners and flooring enthusiasts. Choosing the right flooring can be a daunting task, and vinyl is no exception. Today, we're here to simplify the process by discussing two popular types of vinyl flooring and helping you decide which one is the right fit for your home. Let's dive into this vinyl flooring comparison. Segment 1. Luxury Vinyl Plank, LVP. LVP is known for its high-end appearance, incredible durability, and versatility. It mimics the look of real hardwood floors with remarkable realism, making it a popular choice among homeowners. Segment 2. Why choose luxury vinyl plank, LVP? Realistic appearance, LVP captures the beauty of hardwood, offering various wood species, textures, and colors to match your style. Durability, it's incredibly durable and resistant to scratches, moisture, and stains, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Easy maintenance, LVP is easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for busy households. Comfort, it's softer underfoot compared to traditional hardwood, providing a more comfortable surface. Segment 3. Sheet Vinyl. Our second contender is sheet vinyl, a versatile and cost-effective flooring option. Unlike individual planks or tiles, sheet vinyl comes in large rolls and is perfect for covering larger areas quickly and seamlessly. Segment 4. Why choose sheet vinyl? Affordability, sheet vinyl is often more budget-friendly than LVP or hardwood flooring, making it an excellent option for cost-conscious homeowners. Water resistance, it's highly water-resistant and easy to clean, making it suitable for kitchens and bathrooms. Seamless installation, since it comes in large rolls, it offers a seamless and uniform appearance, reducing the risk of moisture penetration. Design versatility, sheet vinyl comes in a wide range of patterns and designs, including options that mimic tile, stone, or wood. Segment 5. Choosing the right vinyl flooring. So, which one is right for you? It ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. If you value a realistic wood look, exceptional durability, and a softer feel underfoot, LVP might be your best choice. On the other hand, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with water resistance and easy maintenance, sheet vinyl could be the way to go. In conclusion, both luxury vinyl plank, LVP, and sheet vinyl offer their own unique advantages. It's important to assess your specific requirements and style preferences to determine which one suits your home best.